Hey, BJ Peters here from StampinBJ.com. I'm here with some exciting news today and a great card to share with you. Stampin' Up! Just released some additional items that are available for free during Sale-a-Bration, and they are some of your favorite products that perhaps you haven't purchased yet. But if you have, you're going to enjoy this card anyway because it's a very special card with some super fun blending techniques, and it's just gorgeous. Let's get started. Here's a close-up of that gorgeous card featuring two of the third release products for Sale-a-Bration. So let me point them out to you. Here is one of the Petal Pair embossing folders and the Petals and More Thinlit dies. And I've popped that up. Oh my gosh. This all comes from the Petal Passion product suite in the Occasions catalog. And if you haven't yet checked out this product suite, I don't know what's up with you, but you've got to check this out because this is so amazing. Here is the stamp set, and it is actually bundled with these, but if you purchase many of these products, you can choose to get these free with your level 2 Sale-a-Bration items. And you have to get this Petal Passion Designer Series paper. It is the bomb. And then here is that organza ribbon that I'm going to show you today as well. Let's get started because you're going to love to make this card. My card base is rich raspberry, 5.5 by 8.5, scored and folded at 4 1/4. And then I've got a piece of the Petal Passion Designer Series paper that is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. When I was making this card, I was thinking of upcoming weddings that I have this summer, and I always like to have, you know, kind of an extra special card for weddings. So that's what this one is going to be for. Then I've die cut a Whisper White Lots of Labels framelit, and I'm going to use one of the Petal Pair embossing folders to add some texture to that. So I'm just going to go off and I'm going to put that in here just like this and texturize it. It's going to be gorgeous. And here that is. So I'm just going to adhere that onto my card base here. I'm going to have it a little bit off to this side. So here are the Petal Pair embossing folders. I use this one. This one you need to check out. The absolutely most gorgeous card I think that I've ever done. Uses the double embossing technique. Look in the credits of my website post and you're just going to love that card. And here's the Petals and More Thinlits dies. I've gone ahead and stamped the flower image on my Whisper White with the Memento Black ink, and I've actually gone ahead and die cut out one of them using the die. And now we're going to color it in with our Stampin' Blends. So I'm using the rich raspberry and the old olive, and what I'm going to do, the way I like to add my dimension and color is I like to come in with the lightest color first. So this is the light rich raspberry. And this image is small enough that I can actually just come in and color all of it together. Remember that alcohol inks, they'll last about 10-15 seconds, and I can come in now with my darker one and the nib, the fine tip end, and add in some dimension right along some of the lines that are already there for me. That's all I'm going to do is just add in just a little bit of the darker color along those lines. And then you'll see how I blend it in. It's going to be so easy. This is kind of, it's a quick and easy way to do it. And you'll find that it's going to look just as gorgeous as if I spent a ton of time on it. So now I'm back with the light color, the lighter one, and I'm actually just kind of working in circles with the fine end or the nib tip end. And that actually, because it's all wet, is still blending in those colors, and it's giving me the dimension that I want. Look at that. I'll hold it up to the camera for you. You see that? See how nice that dimension is? Love that. I'm going to do the same thing for the leaves. And there's my finished flower. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the dimension. I'm going to put that on with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And there we have it. Gorgeous. Love the height, the little dimension, the texture here. But I wanted something more. Remember, this is a wedding card. And so what I have is I added more dimension by adding just a few extra flowers. So I've gone ahead and stamped it again, and I'm actually just going to fussy cut around this edge and not be even really very exact, but just kind of just right around the edge, just like this, keeping them all together. Fussy cutting kind of has a bad name to it in some people's minds, but this really can be very simple. Doesn't have to be exact. And there we have it. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color that in just like I did the flowers the first time. And there's my second layer of flowers. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of shimmer glimmer, which really enhances the color with the clear wink of Stella pen here. Weddings are sometimes all about some of the glitz and glamour and the beautiful bride and family and fun time. I don't know if you can see that, but isn't that cool? Now I'm going to pop that up. When I put it on the card, I'm actually going to offset it a little bit so that it's not exactly on top, because that's actually going to add just even a little bit more dimension. So you can see it's offset just a tish. Really fun. Let's finish it up with the greeting and the bow. I die cut a basic black label from the Thinlits dies, and I'm going to stamp the word congratulations on it in Versamark ink, and I'm going to add my my white embossing powder and heat set that. And there's my label, and I'm going to just tuck that in right here. Perfect. Now let's add that beautiful bow. Here's that Whisper White organza ribbon. I'm just going to get myself kind of a little bit of it here. I'm going to use my silicone mat, and I'm going to color this ribbon with my Stampin' Blend. I'm actually using the lighter color and just rubbing it along the edge right down the length of the ribbon here. And I'm going to do the back side as well. Because it's alcohol, it dries so quickly, and now I've got ribbon that perfectly matches my card. It is amazing, and it's dry already, so the ink doesn't even come off of my fingers. I'm going to add that with a glue dot, and we are going to be done. And there we have it, a gorgeous, gorgeous card. Remember, during Sale-a-Bration, you can get these products, some of these products for free. So the Petal Pair Embossing Folder, the Petals and More Thinlits dies, along with over 20 other products. You are going to want to get them, and you only have a limited time left. It's until March 31st. And you know what? It's also a great time to kind of share it with your friends. If you host a party that is over $250 US, you actually get 25 extra free dollars to spend. And if you want to join my team, oh my gosh, you can get $250 worth of products that you choose for only $99 and free shipping. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So if you're looking to get a discount on your purchases or even to get a little extra income, check that option out on my website. Thanks for stopping by today. You can purchase these products in my online store, and remember to create and feel great.